our job is to look at the governance. And by governance, we mean not simply what governments might do in terms of regulation, but a much broader set of actions by a broader set of actors, stakeholders, getting information about these issues, being engaged in social processes, developing social licenses toward their use or not, and generally contributing to decision making. And we're also very much there to encourage the engagement of all voices in this debate, particularly when it comes to the Global South, which has been lacking in the past. Now, the context of this meeting is happening when we see the impacts of the climate crisis everywhere around us. Many of these impacts that we see are in fact exacerbated by climate change. And at the same time, we're also seeing this at a time when many governments and also other non-state actors are setting themselves so-called net zero emissions targets for the middle of the century. And they also know that they cannot stop there, because once they reach the net zero, then one has to go into the net negative period. There's also a recognition that to reach those goals, large-scale carbon dioxide removal will be needed, but that there are many governance gaps that need to be addressed. And it's also recognized that the challenge of the totality of the emission reductions, carbon dioxide removal, and adaptation actions that need to be taken are really enormous indeed.